Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my unboxing review on the Lodge Deep Fryer. Please stay tuned. Okay, we have some good news today and we have some bad news today. The good, well, I'll get to the bad news and get that over with. The bad news, see that big old crack? Cleaning my skillet today, and I dropped it in a ceramic towel and it split down the side, so I can't fry anything in it anymore. The good news is, earlier last week, Lodge reached out to me and sent me some stuff for my cooking channel. Sent me a lid for the Antique Wagner, which was really cool. It's not even their brand. So that fits over this, which breaks my heart. It's my favorite piece of cast iron cookware that I own, and I own about 30 pieces, except for my antique Griswold Dutch oven, but that's my second favorite. So this is the Lodge 3.5 quart chicken fryer, deep fryer, whatever you want to call it. And so they sent this to me, so this is actually going to replace that. Now it's heavier, we already know, and it's grainy on the bottom, but if you're using it for frying, I don't think it's going to matter much. And I used to use New Lodge when I started my channel, and so I used to have a video where I cooked an egg in it and it didn't stick, and there's other videos, so you just gotta season it properly. Alright, sorry, I did that with one hand. Ooh, nice paper towels. Not. Okay, smack the dust off. It's just like what I got over there, and it fits in here. Caring for your cookware. It's got some stuff in there. So, as you can see, it's not, I swear it's not as grainy as the first one I bought. Maybe they're improving, maybe they're not, but it looks pretty good so far. There is a blemish right there. That's just seasoning that they put on there. What I did with my original skillet is I stripped this completely off to the bare gray metal. Cast iron is not black, people. It's gray metal. And if it's black, then it's been seasoned already. So I stripped it down and put my own coat on it, but there's lots of people that just use it the way it is and they have no problem. So we'll go ahead and I'll start using this probably on my next video. I think I'm going to be doing deep fried mushrooms, maybe. So let me know, in the comments below what you guys want to see me cook in this deep fryer. If you're a subscriber, let me know who you are, because I'm going to give a shout out now to special subscribers that come from Texas. All my people in Texas, big shout out to you. They've always been supportive of my channel in Texas, and they let me know it. So I don't know if you're subscribed or not. If you like cast iron cooking and want to learn also how to season stainless steel skillets, please subscribe. And my little wall, I got some new stuff for it. I got this from Lodge. Now they keep it upside down. Can anybody tell me why mine goes at this angle? There's a certain reason for that. From Texas. Some other people are from Texas. My buddy Colin from Tasmania, and these come from my bestie Kim, and this comes from Kim, and this is also a Lodge. It comes from Kim. And to you who gave me this, woohoo, I had it laminated. Okay folks, I'll get back to you in my next video. Remember, leave something down in the comments below. Thanks and have an awesome day.